Welcome to this video on data analytics and reports using generative AI. After watching this video, you'll be able to describe the use cases of generative AI for data analytics and reporting in customer support. You'll also be able to explain the impact of generative AI-powered tools in reporting and data analysis, evaluation of the reports, and extracting key insights. Data-driven decision-making is an important factor for achieving success in customer support. Data's increasing volume and complexity have prompted customer support teams to adopt advanced technologies such as generative AI. Leveraging the capabilities of generative AI and data analysis and reporting can improve customer satisfaction, streamline support processes, and increase overall operation efficiency. Let's dive deep into the transformative impact of generative AI in modern reporting and data analytics, highlighting its importance in making strategic decisions. Generative AI in customer support systems can assess customer sentiments and identify trends for a specific issue. For example, the AI-powered analytics report shows that in the last week, customers have been frustrated and complained about the long wait time for resolving queries for a specific product. The trend report enables customer support professionals to visualize the frequency of customer challenges and flag areas for immediate action. These reports help customer support professionals avoid issues before they become widespread, allowing proactive decision-making and identifying spikes in queries. Generative AI in customer support uses customers' historical data to predict issues, plan and allocate resources for peak times, and address problems proactively, enhancing customer satisfaction. For example, a generative AI-powered system identifies recurring customer issues after product updates, enabling it to predict similar challenges for future releases and recommend proactive measures, such as creating frequently asked questions or FAQs, training support teams, or updating user manuals. Leveraging generative AI in customer support identifies root causes using customers' feedback, interactions, and operational data. It can help to identify frequent issues related to technical difficulties, communication gaps, or inefficiencies in the processes. By conducting this analysis, customer support professionals can focus on resolving fundamental issues and improving overall customer experience. The customer support system can improve customer interactions and generate root cause analysis reports. These reports show that many customers' complaints stem from unresolved bugs in the product. As a result, the system suggests recommended actions, leading to fixing the root cause of the issue. Generative AI in customer support can evaluate customer support professionals' performance based on their interactions with customers and the effectiveness of their query resolution. It can automatically track support agents' performance on various performance metrics, such as first contact resolution, or FCR, average handle time, or AHT, customer satisfaction, or CSAT, net promoter score, or NPS, and response and resolution time. This performance analysis identifies improvement areas for support agents and required training. The generative AI support system can create in-depth performance metrics reports. These reports can display support agents with high and low CSAT scores and their query resolution time. The dashboard also showcases individual and team performance, highlighting comparisons within support agents' teams. AI-powered knowledge management analyzes customer inquiries and identifies pinpoint areas. It can also explore areas lacking information in customer support systems, such as FAQs, articles, or process documents. It can suggest updating or adding new content based on customers' queries, accelerating the self-service query resolution process. Consider an AI-powered system generated reports about frequent customer queries for a specific product. This report highlights trends in customer issues, highlighting the need for new resources and updates in the knowledge base. Generative AI in customer support analyzes customer journeys across channels like email, chatbots, calls, and social media. It can track customer engagement with multiple channels and provides insights into omni-channel experiences. For example, a generative AI-powered system can generate a report revealing that 30% of customers initially engaged with a chatbot and then transitioned to email or phone support, indicating a need for improved resolutions or seamless integration with support agents. This enables the creation of reports mapping the customer journey, highlighting drop-off points and pain areas, and displaying frequent escalation needs. AI-powered dashboards can help to create interactive reports with key metrics, key performance indicators or KPIs, and visual insights. Such dashboards provide real-time data-driven insights, simplify performance evaluation, and provide actionable recommendations to customer support professionals. These dashboards allow visual customization with options like pie charts, bar graphs, or heat maps for easy data analysis. In this video, you've learned about the capabilities of generative AI in data analytics and reports capabilities in customer support. Generative AI-powered data analysis helps customer support professionals improve decision-making, allocate resources, analyze agents' performance, and provide data-driven customized reports. AI-powered sentiment analysis can identify customer sentiments and subtle emotions to improve overall customer experience. They can predict future trends in the customer support systems and provide recommended actions during peak times. Generative AI can help in analyzing the root cause of the customer's queries and generate reports with action-oriented recommendations for process improvements. It can identify gaps in the knowledge base and suggest new articles or update the content. Generative AI-powered analysis identifies performance metrics for support agents and suggests improvement training for their behavior. It can also analyze customers' journeys and generate reports for the common drop-off points and improvement areas.